The threat of a tropical storm brings a possibility of tornadoes for our area, and the National Weather Service is asking residents to be prepared for anything that may come our way. WJTV 12's Gerald Harris joins us now in the studio with more on tornado safety. Gerald.
Byron, I am told by meteorologists at the National Weather Service there will be a focus on tornadoes as Gordon heads towards the coast of Mississippi, and they want the public to be aware.
Rainfall, high winds, and flooding is expected throughout Mississippi as storm activity in the Gulf is brewing.
And with tropical systems, a lot of the tornadoes that occur are often a lot faster. They move a lot quicker. They are not accompanied by much lightning at all.
And as Tropical Storm Gordon moves through our area over the next few days, the National Weather Service is warning residents to be tornado aware.
Be in tune with your local forecast, whether it's through WJTV or the National Weather Service.
The National Weather Service is also asking residents to take safety precautions.
A lot of people have cell phone apps, weather radios, your television. Having multiple ways to get warning information is very key.
She added having a safe space at the lowest part of your home is the best place to go, with as many walls between you and the outside. Also having something to protect your head like a helmet. And Mississippi's largest electricity supplier is asking their customers to be alert as they are prepared for the worst.
When there's actually a storm in the Gulf starting to threaten our territory, we monitor it constantly. We're getting updates. We've got all of our contractors alert and aware that we may need to call on them should we have outages. And of course, all of our restoration teams are on alert.
There is also a warning for mobile home users. The National Weather Service says in an event of a strong storm capable of producing tornadoes, it is best for you to go to a public safe shelter or go to a friend's or family member's home. Byron, back to you.
All right, thank you, Gerald.